Hello students, for class 9, chapter 2, Polynomial, part 2. Today, mainly I am going to explain remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. Now, what is remainder theorem? First, let us know. Let P of x be any polynomial. Any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, and let A be any real number if P of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then remainder is P of a. We know dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. If remainder is 0, then dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. This means divisor is a factor of dividend. Number 2, dividend is a multiple of divisor. Number 3, quotient is a factor of dividend. So, this is called the remainder theorem of polynomial. I'm giving you one example what we have learned. There is a question. Find the remainder when x cubed plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. So first I am showing you through long division because I want to verify the result. X minus 1, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. X cube, this is x, so x square, then x cube minus x square. Change the sign as you know. So this is 4x square plus 3x plus 1. Now 4x square, so plus 4x. So it is 4x square minus plus minus minus 4x. Change the sign. This cancels. 3x plus 4x, 7x plus 1. So plus 7. So what do we get? 7x minus 7. Change the sign, minus plus, this cancels. Plus 1 plus 7 plus 8 remainder. It means whenever the polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by another polynomial, say g of x is equal to x minus 1, remainder will be 8. But whenever this type of question will be given, and in class 9, you cannot do this long division. This long division I had done just to show you the verification. Now I am going to calculate the remainder by remainder theorem. So what you are given? P of x, polynomial P of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, and g of x, we are supposing this one, so let g of x is equal to x minus 1. Now g of x is equal to 0 implies x minus 1 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 1. Therefore P of 1 is equal to 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 1 plus 1 square 1, 1 into 3 3 plus 3 into 1 3 plus 1, that is equal to 1 3 4, 4 3 7, 7 1 8, so 8. So what we get? P of 1 is equal to 8. So this is the remainder. This is the remainder. So this one is verified. Okay. So whenever this type of question will be given, you cannot do the long division unless you are said to verify. Otherwise, whenever such type of questions will be given, you have to find it by remainder theorem. This is the remainder theorem. So first to learn this well, learn this condition, that is whenever remainder is equal to 0, divisor is a factor of the dividend, means dividend is a multiple of divisor, quotient is a factor of dividend. Okay, so first you learn this one. In our next part we will discuss on how to find the zeros of the polynomial by different factorization method.